Hi you all, good evening. Okay, now we continue with the chapter 8, okay, lines and angle. Okay, I hope you already watched the videos that I sent at Google Classroom and Telegram. Okay, so first, okay, you have to understand the meaning, okay, what's meaning of the lines and angles. Okay, angles, not angels, angles. Okay, so this one the definition of angles. An angle is a measurement of turn. It tells us the amount of turn from one position to another. So the easy way to explain angle, you can look at the clock. Okay, you can refer here with like I have one clock like this, then you can see, okay, we have one rotation. Okay, if the whole rotation like this circle, we call it full rotation or equal to 360 degree. Okay, so the angle can be like here. This one just rotate a bit, so this angle just small angle only, small. We have another name. So if the angle turn until can form one circle, one rotation, so full rotation 360 degree. Okay, I explain about the line first because the chapter on lines and angles. Okay, so look here first. What's meaning of parallel lines? Okay, so parallel lines are always the same distance apart. They will never meet. So remember, never meet. So parallel lines. Okay, so these two we call this line we call parallel line. Okay, so this one also parallel line. But if like this one not parallel. Okay, must have distance. Same distance. That means from here to here must same distance. Okay, this one not same distance, so this one not parallel. So this one we call parallel line. Perpendicular lines always cross at the right angles. That means must have cross like this. Any cross, but must right angle. That right angle means 90 degree. This small square means 90 degree. We not write 90. So when you see this small square, automatically this one we call 90 degree. Okay, angle on a straight line always add up to 180. So straight line, if you can see this one straight line actually equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degree. So if any straight line must add become 180, all straight line. Let's say if the question give you one straight line, this one 20. So the question want to find here x. So you want to find x, so 180 minus 20, so 160. So x equal to 160. All straight line must equal to 180 degree. Okay, next one. Angles are measured in degrees. Okay, degrees must have put the degrees. Okay, there are 360 degree in a circle. You can see this. I said the whole rotation like the clock, right? This one we call whole rotation. Full rotation 360. If the rotation on the arrow like this only from until here, so here we call 90 degree, or we have name which is 90 degree. We call right angle. Right angle usually we just write the small square like this. And then when the angle rotate again until here, so this one 180, rotate 270, then full rotation 360 degree, whole rotation, that means can form one circle equal 360 degree. Okay, now this one the important part. Okay, this one. Okay, what's meaning of line segment? A part of a straight line that has two endpoint and finite length. That means we have 2 points, so you draw one line. This we call line segment. And then congruent line, two line segment are congruent. Congruent means same. Congruent, same. That means same line. Okay, you see this one, two same line which is have same length, so we call congruent lines. Okay, and then congruent angles, that means this angle 110, this angle also 110, so this angle same size, which is congruent angles. Okay, please highlight, very, very important. So you just remember congruent means same. And then angles, the angle is the amount of turn between each arm. So this one we call arm. Here this one vertex, and in the middle this one angle. Okay, then what is meaning of complementary? Very important and very important, always come out in exam. So you must remember what's the meaning of complementary angles. Complementary angles means angles that add up to 90 degree. You add two angles, you get 90 degree, we call complementary angle. But when you add up 100 plus 80, you get 180, we call it supplementary angles. So must remember these two. Okay, so the next video I will continue with another notes. Okay, now we continue with the next angle, which is conjugate angles. Okay, please highlight this one. Conjugate angles means angle that add up to 360 degree. That means if here 30 degree, when and then you want to find this angle B, so 360 minus 30, so 330. So angle B 330 degree. So when you add these two, you must get 360. So we call this conjugate angles. Okay. The adjacent angles, two angles with a common arm, that means same size. These two angles have the same size. Okay. And the vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Okay, this diagram not clear, so use your ruler and pen or pencil, draw line like this. Okay, so what's the meaning of vertically opposite angles? That's mean opposite angle have same angle. That's mean if let's say here equal to let's say I write 70, so opposite angle also 70. Okay, opposite angle also 70. Then here, if here 110, so opposite angle also 110. Like that. So this opposite angle must have same angle. Okay, 70, 70, 100. So this one we call vertically opposite angle. Two opposite angle formed by intersecting lines. So this if cross like this, we call intersecting lines. Okay, parallel lines. Okay, the previous video I already explained. Okay, two lines which are equal distance from each other and does not intersect. That means does not touch. Okay, not touch each other. That means this one we call parallel line. And then transversal. Transversal. Okay, what's the meaning of transversal? A straight line that intersect two or more straight line. So this one very important part. You must to memorize. Later I will explain why. Okay, from the transversal you can form three type of angle. Okay, later I will explain that one. Okay, from transversal line, okay, can form three type of angles. Okay, wait. Yes, you can refer here actually. You can refer this one. Okay, this one. Transversal, okay, if you have okay, like this. Okay, you have a line, any line. I draw. Okay, this one parallel line. Okay, then one line cross like this. So this line we call transversal line. Okay, transversal line. And then this transversal line can form three type of angles. Okay, first angle, corresponding angle. Okay, why you call corresponding angle? Okay, corresponding angles, and then alternate angle and interior angles. Okay, I write here. Alternate and interior. Okay, so actually very simple if you understand and you memorize the shape. Corresponding, you remember the letter F. Alternate, you remember letter Z. And interior, you can remember U or you can remember C. Okay, remember this one? This angle form from the transversal, okay, lines, which is cross the parallel line. We call transversal line. So all these relate each others. Okay, for example, okay, corresponding angles. If you see here, actually this one you can see F here. This one, this. Can you see F here? And the F can be like this or like this, or turn like this. So this one also F. Okay, wait. Then, okay, why you have to remember F? Because this F, okay, if this angle equal to 30 degrees, so automatic corresponding angle, if you can identify this F, automatic this one also 30, same value. Okay, so that's why I asked you to remember F. Either the F like that or like this. So this angle equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Okay, F corresponding. Okay, alternate angle. Okay, this one please draw line because this one cannot see the line. Okay, can you see Z? This one Z. Okay, Z, this angle equal to this. Let's say here 30, here also 30. Z, the Z can be like this, can like this, or like this also Z. Okay, so this angle equal to this. Okay, I color. Can you see here? And this angle. Okay, this value same. Okay, Z. So remember Z, this alternate angle. Okay, this angle equal to this angle. Okay, the Z also can be like this. Look like N, right? Or something like this. Okay, so if here 30, automatic here 30. Remember Z. Okay, this one F, corresponding alternate angle Z. Interior angle, remember U. This one a bit different, the value not same, the angles. So let's say I write here 20. This one, okay, you want to find this 180 minus 20, so 160. This one 160. Add these two angles equal to 180. Add these two angles, so here also same. Add these two, you must get like here A, here B. A plus B minus 180. So we call this interior angle. The interior angle not just like the, okay, something look like this. So can you see this one U, right? So this angle plus this equal 180. Let's say here 30, so 180 minus 30, 150. You add these two, you get 180. Because this one interior angles. Okay, so you can see here interior angles. This two 130. So this one, can you see here U, right? This one U. Okay, so here 180 minus 30, so here 50. This one U. Okay, here also U. Okay. Okay, this shape also actually can be F. Okay, so in one parallel line which is have one transversal line can form three types of angle, which is, remember back, corresponding, remember F, alternate, remember Z, interior, remember U or C.